Welcome to another edition of the 90-Second Spotlight. Today we're highlighting a cooperative learning strategy called Placemat Consensus. You may be wondering what that is. It's a strategy that engages students in writing and talking to reach consensus. For this particular activity, teachers would provide students with a question or a prompt on the piece of paper, and this can be done with large butcher paper or smaller sheets of paper. You want to make sure it's a large enough piece of paper that students have adequate space to kind of jot down their thoughts. You can divide the paper into sections. This one happens to be divided into 4 sections. You could do 2, 3, you could even do 5, or if you had a large sheet of paper like butcher paper, you could do even bigger than that. But students have their own space to write in. So they're given a set amount of time to write their own thoughts. Maybe the teacher sets a 1 to 2 to 3 minute timer. They jot their own thoughts in their space. And then as a group, they round robin share their ideas and then come up with a collaborative group response based on what the other group members have said. So for example, teachers might pose the question, what is alliteration? Provide examples. Is this shape a rectangle or a square? How do you know? What are the expectations for working in a group? How are genes, chromosomes, and DNA connected? What are the 3 most important inventions of the Industrial Revolution and why? So the teacher would pose some type of question. Students would be given individual think time where they're writing their own response. And then students would be given time to round robin share as a group so that they can then come to consensus about what their group response will be to the teacher's question that has been posed.